Hi, my name is Laura Quinn and today I'll be showing you how to make a flower out of glass using lampworking. Lampworking is a type of glasswork where you use a torch to melt glass. You then use tools and hand movements to form your creations. It's a very controlled way of working with glass, so you can create some very delicate and intricate pieces. First, you want to start by creating your petals. I'm using a pale blue base and then adding a transparent dark blue over the top for extra dimension. Glass naturally wants to form into a ball when melted, so we use this to our advantage. Once there is enough of a base colour melted, we can add the transparent blue. You need to flash the glass through the flame to slowly warm it up, as a sudden temperature change will make it shatter. Still turning the pale blue, I add the transparent blue to the outside. The next step is to start moulding the petal. Take your flat tongs and flatten the molten ball of glass into a lollipop shape. Now I'm attaching the transparent blue to the other side of the glass, warming up the lollipop shape and slowly pulling and twisting it to start forming a petal form. Depending on where you heat the glass, it will change the shape. Once you have your desired form, heat the glass at the joint, cut and detach it from the rod. Be sure to heat your tools, otherwise if cold they could shatter the glass, and repeat this process to create the required amount of petals you want. To make the leaves for the stems, follow the same process as the petals. I'm using transparent green glass, and unlike the petals, I want to add texture in the leaves. Using some texture tweezers, I can get different lifelike effects to create a realistic leaf. Stretch out the shape like you would a petal and repeat the process. Now to create the stem, melt 2 glass rods together and merge them, twisting each rod in a different direction to form a large ball of glass, and once you have enough, bring the glass out of the flame and pull apart to create your stem, adding a twirl just before it sets. Detach the rod from the top of the stem, heat the top and flatten it. This will be where the petals attach. Use the detached rod to add connection points to the stem for the leaves and the head for the petals. Now it's time to put it all together. Starting with the petals, I heat up the very bottom and the connection point on the stem and merge them together. I repeat this process for each petal, being very careful not to catch an already attached petal with the flame, otherwise they could crack. With all the petals attached, I'm now going to repeat the process on the leaves. And now I'm done. This process can be used to create all manner of objects and allows you to get some very intricate detail. I'm Laura Quinn and this has been Lampworking.